Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're gonna play Animal Hospital. Before we start, tell me why my other video got 50 views and 3 likes. But anyways, before we start, can you like and subscribe? Okay, now let's actually start. Okay guys, now that we're in the game, we're gonna teleport now.
Yeah, let's go. Hurry.
Push start.
Oh, guys, I'm gonna sound sick because my dumb hair decided to be dirtier. I have too much water that it make me wake up like this. So, yeah. I'm good. Where are you? Oh, are you that one? The animal?
Yeah.
Okay. Am I also an animal?
Yeah, you're a bunny.
Oh, yay. Okay, let's go. Let's go look for some animals.
The ones like look like scary or like stuff like that, you close them.
Okay. Oh, is it like Scary Shawarma? But like,
Yeah, kind of like that.
I was about to go out. They look normal, weird, and bad, but later. Take backwards. If I want to be in room. Okay. Here, let me give you some space. Close the door. Wait, let me close the door. I'm scared.
We have to follow like the patients.
Oh. Do we
'Cause
just need to follow?
You never played this game before, I think. Estoy grabando.
There's someone else waiting for us.
Wait, you could like give the thing. It's just supposed to give the ones that have like leaves. This.
Do I give it to the person?
Yeah.
Okay, what do I do now?
You just wait.
Okay. And
Go.
do they stand up?
No, you can just like go walk now.
Okay, bye. I'm gonna close the door. He's stand up. Oh, I just closed the door on him. Okay, you can go. Oh, wait. Like one more dog.
Oh my god.
Wait. This is for finals. Six. My thing say 6, 7.
I'll give it to them.
Okay. Oh.
Stop already.
Oh no, I have to go back. I'm scared of the doctor. The doctor's right there.
Para. Vas a ver que te va a bañar en cuenta.
Okay. Okay, there's someone behind you. I'm gonna get up. What happens if you do something wrong?
Like where your brain is like in the bottom. If you like lose like a lot of like the numbers or something like that.
Mine got me, I think. Oh no, mine is a 60. Oh girl, close. Is there cameras here?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, let me look at that. Bro. He's mad.
I know, but it's normal. That's the part of the game.
This one, like the eyes in the camera kind of look scary. They look like pitch black, but wait. Oh no, it's not scary. Sup, I'm the Tom Lim.
So guys, my phone's at 9%.
Oh.
Yeah.
But we'll probably have to post part 2.
Yeah.
So to go to part 2, you're just gonna have to go to the video, or you can subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Look at the cameras.
Wait.
Just look at them.
Security camera. Mia.
Yeah, he's glitched. Close it. No, ni por ti.
That's kind of creepy.
Yeah.
Someone else is coming.
Okay. Look at the cameras like before you like talk to them.
Okay, so they have a normal body and a normal face.
Oh my god. My heart is beating. My heart is beating.
Why?
I saw like a black figure thing
Like in real life or in the game?
in the game. It scared me so bad.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thanks. I'll be in
I'll be
YouTube.
on the video, bro. No, pero que porque va a estar jugando y va a estar hablando. Oh my god, how did they go? Oh my god.
There's someone like over there.
Okay, I'll check. Oh, that's the one that we have to take care of. Cause like,
Oh my gosh.
mm.
There's something black on the bed, under the bed.
Oh, that's scary.
I'm not going there.
Wait, where is it? Oh, if you touch the red thing, you're gonna die.
Oh.
But I could like help, like pull you. If you accidentally touch it, I could like help you.
Okay.
But don't do it on purpose.
Okay. Let me just sit. In a break. Oh, drinking coffee. Okay.
Yeah, it gives you like more like of the, you know. Wait, come here, cause then you're gonna.
Hi.
It was like a honey thing, right? Or what was it?
I think.
Oh yeah.
So.
That's when I got pulled by that thing.
And then we just leave the door open for him to get. I close the door.
No, that one we have to take care of it.
Wait, let me look at the security cam. Says good. Okay, I got room for okay. Go to room 4. I'll be with you in a second. Can I stay here to like get other customers or no?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna stay in the cameras.
No
one's coming yet.
I'll get a coffee just in case you like lose of the brain thing.
Okay, where's the coffee?
Right here.
Okay.
But don't drink it like only when you have like poquito, you know? Like I don't know how to say.
Like a little of the brain thing.
Yeah.
Okay. I have 60 right now, so I think that's okay.
Mhm.
Let me look at the cameras again. No one's coming.
If there's like a invisible or like figure like that, and it says run, you run.
Okay.
I played these games before.
Does that mean it's ghost?
Yeah, it's like a ghost thing. No, not like, yeah, something like that.
Oh, okay.
Just to let you know, like the number 4 or 3, there's gonna be like a hospital call. I don't know. And then there's gonna be a lot of customers coming.
Okay.
And if we don't do them, they're gonna die.
Oh.
And we're gonna lose the game. But the ones that have like creepy eyes, we don't take care of them.
Okay.
Let's see what's in there.
3020. Good. Are they good?
I just saw a bro. What the?
Girl with the head.
Oh yeah, if they're like that, you close them.
Okay. The door.
Okay,
Girl, I just saw a black figure
me too.
right here.
Um,
Girl.
so guys, I think we're gonna do part 2 because like, my phone's at 5%.
Okay, guys, come back for part 2. Make
Not yet.
girl. So like almost. Okay, so I will be in the place. Do you want to take this one or do you want me to take this one?
I don't know.
Okay.
Oh, this one you give him coffee, si no se va a enojar.
Here's your coffee, man.
No, no, you need it. Oh, I'm gonna give it to him.
Okay. I'm gonna drink it because my thing is at 46.
Okay, then drink it.
Okay.
I'm gonna get this next coffee. Cause the thing. You're gonna get the next coffee.
Okay. In the cameras.
Oh, if it says don't look up. Cause si no tú esa, your brain could like. Oh my god.
If I'm in the camera thing, would it still tell me all of those things?
No.
Oh my gosh, creepy face. Mia, let me close the door upstairs. Wait, why am I open the door? Girl, there's another scary face.
Wait, it is?
Oh my gosh, Dad, yeah.
That's not a creepy face, or is it? Oh yeah, open it. Open the thing, cause there's someone coming. Okay.
Photo of you. You're good. What's your name? Marilyn?
Oh. His name was what? I don't know.
Girl, okay.
Take care of that one.
Okay. Wait, let me look at the cameras first.
You are a good guy.
Um,
You have to do number 8. Come.
going.
Follow me. Cause then it's like the one that we no mente.
Oh, where are you?
You have to do this together or else they die.
Okay, let's go.
You gotta have to take turns.
Okay, go.
You be in that side. Okay, I'll do this one.
Okay.
I'll do this one because it's close to me.
Okay.
I'll do it.
Okay.
Okay, I'll do it again.
Okay.
Okay, I'll pass the knife and you do the other stuff.
Scissors.
And I'll do this one. Okay. guys, I think we're gonna end the video later because my phone's at 2%. Yeah, sorry if I don't charge my phone.
So we're only gonna be posting Saturdays, right?
Yeah, Saturdays.
On fire.
Yeah.
Where?
Baby, I'm gonna start to spray them. Okay, yeah.
Oh my god.
You could do like the rat. I'll do this one. And also get the coffee, cause
Oh, he needs coffee?
no, you.
Oh, okay, go. Maybe I can do the rest. I'll go for the coffee. Do I drink it right now? I'm at 50 seconds.
If you want. Let me see. Okay, it's normal.
Here's your thing.
I'll do the other two.
Okay.
Wait, guys, we have to end the video because my phone's at 1%.
Okay, bye guys. Follow us to not miss any of our
Videos.
Yeah.
So, thank you guys for watching. Yeah, so bye.
We don't know what to say, we're just beginners.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah. Bye guys.